Open the hatch to gain access to the bulb assembly. The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side. There are 7 screws that need to be removed.
Remove the screws by turning them counterclockwise. Remove the cover. Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise. Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out. Now you can replace your housing with a new one.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Reconnect the bulb housing. Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise.
It's a good idea to hand tighten the bolts before securing them to the vehicle.
Replace the cover. Replace the screws by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the assembly is tight and secure.